Have you ever lived your dream life? Many people dream, but few act. What if I told you that having a clear vision, along with measured action and visualizing it, can help you become exactly what you want to be in your life? Once you have set your goals clearly, visualizing it every day will bring your dreams come closer. As Napoleon Hill said, "You are the master of your destiny. You can make your life what you want it to be." This video is inspired by the book Manifest: 7 Steps to Living Your Best Life, written by Roxie Nafousi. In her book, she has shared her manifesting journey and how it helped her to achieve what she wants in her life. She wrote this book and got published it in 2022. Now here are those 7 steps that can help you to unlock the magic for yourself and begin your journey to manifesting your dream life. So, here's the first step to manifestations. Be clear in your vision. You can't get to where you want to go if you don't know where you are headed. Visualizing exactly what you want is the key to manifesting. For example, if you want to become a movie director, visualize how you feel when the movie you directed is screening in theaters, getting applauded by the public, enjoyed by a wide range of audience, and the winning awards. You need to feel that energy you get when you become a movie director while visualizing. The real secret is that you must immerse yourself in the feeling of having them. When you regularly practice visualizing the things you want, your brain will respond by altering your behavior patterns and interpretations of your surroundings in line with the imagined goal. When you do it, you don't visualize what you want to manifest, but the person that you want to be. To start with, create a vision board. Take a large sheet of paper and write the exact date by when you want to manifest. Write down the goals that you want to manifest. After creating your vision board, put it somewhere safe and return to it on the date you wrote to manifest. Let's get to the second step. Remove fear and doubt. You can only manifest what you truly believe you are worthy of attracting into your life. Fear and doubt are subconsciously sending messages to the universe that we aren't worthy enough or ready to receive the things that we desire. Take a moment to think about just one thing that you want to manifest and try to identify what fears and doubts come into your mind when you think about really having them. For example, you want to become a movie director, but often you are questioned with things like, will I be able to direct what I exactly visualized, or can I finish this within time, or what if I can't make the audience happy? What if I don't have the talent to be a movie director? It is these limiting beliefs and insecurities that are currently holding you back from living your best life. The more aware you become of them, the less power they hold over you. Before we move to step 3, you need to know this first. How many of you love and care about yourself over others? When we love ourselves, we rise above fears, doubts, insecurities, and limiting beliefs, and we unlock our fullest potential. Self-love is the driving force behind manifesting. To unblock the path that leads us to our most magnificent future, we must let go of the parts of our past that cause us to feel low-vibe emotions of shame, guilt, or anger. Remember, learning from your mistakes and experiences helps you to grow. The next step is align your behavior. By now, you have a clear vision, but you can't just sit and wait for it to happen. You have to put your thoughts into action, showing the universe that you are worthy of receiving it. If you feel you haven't removed your fear and doubt, you can still feel it and do it anyway. The only way to change your life is to change your daily routine. Here is an exercise for you. For example, if you want to become a movie director, write down the things that you need to do, like attending the classes, learning the technology, practicing it, watching tutorials, watching other movies, like those that are relevant for achieving your end goal. Commit yourself to doing them every day for 60 days for it to form a habit. Show the universe in action that you are ready to embody them because they already exist within you. After that, here comes the 4th step. Overcome tests from the universe. Challenges are an inevitable part of life, and rather than seeing them as limitations, you can begin to see them as gifts and opportunities. For example, while you are on the path of becoming a movie director, and then you are faced with several financial crises, or you are provided with an opportunity by another marketing company that is not your dream company, or when someone betrays you by taking away all the efforts you have put so far, these are the tests from the universe. When you overcome these by staying strong and positive, by trying harder to work with your dream company, or ready to start again from scratch, you build an inner strength that is magnetic. When you see an opportunity to step away from something or someone that is no longer serving you, take it. Sometimes when things are falling apart, they are falling into place. Even at first, if you fail the tests or make a wrong decision in your life, and once you realize it, you have already overcome it. The 5th step is embracing your gratitude. The more you feel grateful for the things that you have, the more you attract what you want. Practicing gratefulness for just 10 minutes every day strengthens your immune system by 50%. On the road to manifesting your dreams of becoming a movie director, don't forget to enjoy the journey that takes you there. Enjoy the journey by learning from mistakes, helping the team to work together to meet the deadlines or come back after failures, feeling grateful for meeting different kinds of people, having the perfect crew members, acknowledging and appreciating the work of junior folks, spending quality time with friends and family. Once you embrace your gratitude towards the things around you, you will start to attract more of what you want. Write down 10 of your favorite small pleasures and feel the gratitude, appreciation, and kindness towards them. Always remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. The sixth step is turning your envy into inspiration. Envy is a natural emotion that we all experience, but it can be a real block to manifesting. When we envy someone else's life, we send a message to the universe that we lack what they have, and we push it away. Instead, use envy as an inspiration to strive for what you want. For example, social media is a billion-dollar industry that is driven by envy. You need to monitor and manage your social media usage. When you see someone posting an image of winning an award for his movie, becoming very famous and working on further projects, instead of worrying or feeling jealous that you have not achieved yet, change your thoughts by feeling happy for the person and take them and their work as inspiration to start working harder by finding an alternative path to reach your goal faster. When you see someone else living the life you want, it's a sign for you to use that as motivation to work even harder towards your goals. When you love yourself unconditionally, and when you are proud of the person you are today and the person you are becoming, there is no room for envy. In the final step of manifesting your desires, trust the universe and have unwavering faith that it will provide you with everything you need. This is where you believe in the magical power of the universe to make things happen for you, even if you don't know how. In the process of becoming a movie director or anything that you want to be, let go of the worry and the need to control the outcome. Instead, focus on the present moment. You will be able to appreciate the abundance that already surrounds you. The process of waiting for something is a huge test of our self-belief and self-worth. Trust is the glue that holds the steps of manifesting together. Someone once told you that you couldn't have it all. I am here to tell you that you can, by Roxie Nafousi.